Okay, so this box came, and we're gonna open it up. What this is my new pressure washer. I'm gonna do a little video showing what comes in this box, because it's the first time I'm seeing it as well. That's kind of what I got. It's a Simpson 3100 PSI with a Honda GC engine, 2.5 gallons per minute. So we'll see how that works. What I'm gonna do is make a little video showing. Well, first we'll make a video showing how this installs. Show how this installs, how this comes together. Then I'll make a video comparing it to my electric pressure washer with how powerful it is, and also how it foams, because that's pretty much what I bought this for, was to have better foam. The electric pressure washer, it foams decent, but honestly, I've watched way too many detailing videos where I've seen some glorious looking foam, and I want that. So yeah, I'm a snob like that. I don't want to have underpowered junk, because that's not what life's about. Life's about winning. Okay, so I guess 4-cycle motor oil. Alright, 10W30. Oh boy. Alrighty. So this is the real deal. This is the real McCoy. And it's decently heavy, but get this bitch out of there. Put that in there. Okay, pretty good tubing. Not bad. Big old box. Yeah. All right. Well, you could theoretically lift that with one hand. I'm not sure how much you'd want to lift that with one hand. I don't want to fucking scratch anything here. Get in there. Saw that? Kobe. Oh, you saw that? That was like a glove, man. Come on. Oh, those wheels feel so good. Okay. Oh, that wasn't... Oh, that was a double fail. Damn it. Really? Oh, boy. That's my life. Alright. So, there's the pull start. Spark plug. This is pretty cool. We just gotta... I've never had a gas-powered pressure washer before, believe it or not. My toys were never this cool. But try to clean up. You know, nobody wants a messy garage. Mine might look messy at times, but for someone with OCD, what I call my garage is organized chaos. Okay, it's the best way to describe what I gotta go deal with here, because I know where everything is. Now, when I bought this pressure washer, I decided I was gonna try to go all out and get better parts. Now, obviously, this is the one wand that it came with. This is the MTM M407. Now, this setup here is very long. I'm probably not going to use this. It came with it. I basically bought it for this hand pistol. This was, yeah, gun guy, right? I bought this for the gun of it, and I bought different connectors. So basically, this gives me the option to put this on here, and now I can connect what I want onto this. I've got the option of having a really compact foamer, which is what I plan on using. It's got a nice little lock on it. This is like going to be the setup I plan on using once everything's nice and set up. Get it? Really nice, right? Alright, so let's take a look at this bad boy. Let's see where we stand. Install the handle. Step A. Not even step 1. You know, if they had a final... This is true for most guys, right? Tell me if I'm wrong. You could skip over most instructions if there's a final picture. You know what I mean? Like, if you could get a final picture of the item, which I'm probably going to have to Google, I think that would solve my problems. So, okay. So I guess, okay, here we go. We got little tabs that come off. I'm assuming it goes like this. Down here. Yeah. That would make a hell of a lot more sense. I do know. Got all this garbage in here. I do know that this part I can hook up right now. Not really hook up, but these are the little fan heads that go on the end. You see this? Let me give you a heads up here. When you have a garage, see that little shit? Get that the fuck out. You run shit over with my luck. Alright. So this is a soap one. This goes in. Ooh, very nice. It goes right in the hole. Very nice. This is the 40. Everything is obviously color coded. Here's the 25-degree angle. I probably will be using the 25 and the 40 the most. I don't see me using... No. See, this is OCD. You can't do that. You can't skip. No. Not acceptable. Actually, you know what? Do they all? No. No. Oh, wait a minute. Ooh, child. Oh, that's so stupid. Hold on. Yeah, see? You gotta have... Alright. So that looks good. And look at that. Very colorful. Beautiful. I don't ever see me using a 0 degree unless somebody's trying to break into my house and all of my guns jam and I need a weapon. I'll come down here and get my pressure washer. That'll probably be the only time. So this is very maneuverable. I'm okay with this. It's pretty good. And there's these nice pads here. And it's got that bar in the front with this. I mean, overall, the setup is awesome. It's just meant to protect this little tiny baby Honda engine. But I bet you this Honda engine does work. I'm betting. Okay. So, check oil level before each use. It does say that there's not supposed to be any oil in here, right? Well, it just took it, so we're gonna put this back in there. Check the oil with engine. I don't know how much gas is in there. It's got to be enough for now. It's the hose, so this is going to be the pressure washer connector. Yep. Okay. Put that on nice and tight and just try out the stock wand. I have a feeling my neighbors are gonna love me.
Yeah, it turns out to be a good hose after all.
So basically, it says make sure it's in the on position, the choke's out, and then we just turn it on. Alright?
Yeah, well.
Get the gas in there. Wow! It's pushing my hand back. Alright. Ooh, that's hot. Mental note, never fucking touch anything over there.